Hello everybody, this is Glenda again with Shaking Hands Art with Fralins and Friends. Today it's going to be so different. I'll be painting, but what I'm painting is different. I am going to go back through some older paintings and I'm going to make them look better.
Our hearts beat to the city.
What I want to do with the rainforest, I want to take these birds out. They just don't look good. They really don't even look like birds. So I'm going to just paint them out. And if I put any birds in there, it might be one or something, and it'll definitely be looking better than that. Now some of where they are is in the lighter part where I've kind of let a little light leak in. Some places it looks like I was making trunks of trees that didn't really end up looking like trunks of trees. They could be trees that have fallen too. You just never know. Now I gotta let that dry and bring the water over. Okay. Hopefully that will work. Alright, I'm gonna put dot some fruit and stuff through here. Okay. Have you figured out yet that half the time I don't know what I'm doing? Okay. Okay, let's look at shapes here. As an abstract, it's not terrible. Usually when you try to fix something, it's supposed to look better. I don't know. Start up here. This may be the only one I get done tonight. think these up here, I was just having them be lemons. I'm gonna put some a little bit of space between those wings and the bird, but I don't know if that's the right way to go about it. It's really not. I don't know what I would do there. Green, isn't it? I thought maybe green would show through, but I was hoping to make the bird, it's the belly of the bird, a little oranger. Well, there is one very plentiful rainforest, or with the one very Indian ringneck bird. If anybody wants to claim him, I guess I have to. I did it. But I hope you like it. It's a lot of color. I can say that for it. But yeah, it's a big bird, but he's got a lot to eat here. But there it is. That's it for tonight. There's my mint in my mouth to say goodbye. Silly. I love all of you so much. And do smile. There's your smile and wave. Go out there and share it with somebody. It is needed in this world everywhere. And just give yourself a chance to feel good. Do something. Color. Kids' coloring page. Do something that will just do something silly to just make yourself feel good. And we'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Good night.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the candle